Hey everyone, have you ever thought about starting your own online business but didn't know where to start? Well, today I'm here to introduce you to the world of dropshipping and show you how you can turn it into a successful business model. First, let's talk about choosing a niche and finding reliable suppliers to work with. This is crucial for the success of your dropshipping business. Once you have your niche and suppliers in place, it's time to set up your online store. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce are great options for creating a professional-looking and user-friendly website. Now, let's dive into some effective marketing strategies to drive traffic to your online store and increase your sales. From social media advertising to influencer partnerships, there are plenty of ways to get your products in front of potential customers. In conclusion, dropshipping has the potential to be a lucrative business model if done right. So what are you waiting for? Start your own dropshipping business today and take advantage of the endless opportunities in the world of e-commerce. Remember to use the hashtags #dropshipping, #e-commerce, #business2024, #online store to connect with others in the dropshipping community. Let's make 2024 the year